Hello, everyone. My name is Barto. I come from Madrid, from Spain. and yeah, I've been working as an engineer for the past 15 years, more than 15 years. First in Web 2, working on cloud projects, different cloud projects, and then I moved into Web 3. And and now I'm working on a personal project related to social media intelligence. I'll show you briefly later. But what I'm going to show you today is why I think OpenClaw is so good, why I've been using it so much lately, and why I've been building on top of OpenClaw. Then I'm going to show you how I use it as my DevOps guy now. And then I'm going to show you like a quick demo of something I built on top of it. So why I think OpenClaw is so important and so many people fell in love with this project. Right now, the way I see the AI landscape is that we have like 4 different layers. We have the models, the integrations, the runtime, and the UI. Models is all the models we know. Integrations is the tools that you can connect to from the different models. Then we have the runtime, which is where the agents are running, either locally or now in the cloud more lately. And then you have the actual UI, the IDEs or the CLIs or the GPT's web version, whatever, right? So what's happening is that lately the companies are trying to lock you in, right? You've probably noticed that they're all trying to lock you in into their ecosystem. Like cloud wants you to use their cloud code with their cloud servers, agents in their servers, and using obviously their models and so on. So I think what the OpenClaw brings is the possibility, and coming from Web3, I've always liked this concept of composability, right? To be able to build your own systems with your Lego pieces, right? And integrate whatever you want built on top of existing systems. So this is what OpenClaw brings. You can bring your own UI. You can communicate with the current channels that OpenClaw has integrated, Telegram, WhatsApp, or you can build your own as well, right? Ways to communicate with OpenClaw. The same thing with integrations, right? You can use the plugins that the OpenClaw comes with, but you can also build your own integrations to communicate with your own SaaS or with your own software. And obviously, you can use whatever model you want, right? So I think that's the real potential of OpenClaw. And I'm going to show you a little bit now in the demo how I have extended OpenClaw to work with some custom software that maybe I was using in the cloud or I was hosting it in other services. Then I'm going to show you a custom a dashboard I built to create and manage my agents, and a little UI, which is a Kanban, to communicate with and assign tasks to my agents as well. The main thing I'm using it for, as I told you, is using it as a DevOps. So some services I was using in the cloud, for example, N10. Who knows N10? Have anyone used N10 or Trigger.dev or some websites that I was hosting on Vercel? So I'm taking all that and hosting it in the same VPS as I'm hosting OpenClaw, and I'm letting OpenClaw manage it and upgrade it for myself, right? So if you use OpenClaw, I don't know if you had a look at the UI that OpenClaw comes with, which is pretty ugly. It has all the options. You can configure everything through the UI, custom UI. But what I recommend you is build your own a custom dashboard with specific functions that you need, and also integrate it with the things that you have in the VPS as well. So, for example, this is a custom dashboard I built for my OpenClaw, and I'm showing here the applications that I have installed in the same VPS as I have hosted my OpenClaw. So I have different tools here. I have N10 hosted in the same environment as my OpenClaw, so I can ask OpenClaw to upgrade, to work on workflows with me. I have Scalidro. Scalidro, are you familiar with Scalidro, this tool? I have the open source version hosted in the OpenClaw as well, VPS. So I can work together with my OpenClaw, like editing drawings here as well. I actually also extended and added some features to this Scalidro. So, for example, saving like drawings locally in the server. So this is another way you can use your OpenClaw. You can install services in the same VPS and ask it to extend, add functionality to this service and so on, right? I have like Streamlit to do data analysis as well. So this is another service that I have in my OpenClaw. So basically, I have in the same instance, in the same VPS that I'm hosting in Hetner, this hosting provider, I have like different tools and I let my OpenClaw manage them for me, right? I built this also in the dashboard, so I can see all the databases that I have here, all the websites that I have inside the VPS, where I have the OpenClaw. So I recommend you like building something similar as well. I have also like a view with the different agents I have in the OpenClaw. You know that in OpenClaw you can have like set different agents, which is very good when you want to like isolate context and memory. Normally I create like a new agent for a new project. When I have like a new project, I create a new agent. So this is basically open source. I open source this dashboard as well. This is the address if you want to take a look. I recommend everyone to just like build their own actually dashboard, depending on the specific needs that anyone has. And the last thing I wanted to show is like as part of that project, I have also like I created this Kanban board as well. This is what I use now to assign tasks and work with my agents, right? So I have different boards here. This is like a normal Kanban board, but I can basically assign tasks to my agents. So I can create a new task here. And then here I can assign this task to the different agents that I have in my OpenClaw. And then once I run this, the agents will take the task and will implement whatever. So anything that's in this VPS, any of these services that I was showing, if I want to make any updates to any of the websites that I'm hosting in the VPS or anything, I can work with my agents through the Kanban and assign tasks to them. Right? I can, if you have any questions later, because we're like a little bit tight on time, I can show you, I can explain, you know. So this is basically it. Let me know if you have any questions later, and happy to show you more about how I implemented this. Yeah. And now it's where is I think he went down.
You can keep going.
Yeah. You have any questions?
I can have some questions.
Okay. Yeah.
So I see some project like a paperclip.
Yeah.
Yes, like a music.
Yeah.
They have a control system which seem like OpenCloud as a kind of runtime and Hermes as another, and we also have Codex, we have cloud code. So so this is only for OpenCloud, right? But
Yeah, this is something I built only for OpenClaw. You cannot connect like your other
I
agents.
just think because I just seen this kind of runtime as a kind of harness. So kind of harness, yes, because models is the same, but the runtime is different, the result is different. So
Yeah. What I did though is like I don't know if you know that OpenClaw has something that is like a ACP. It supports like ACP, which is like I can assign tasks directly to the codecs or cursor like harnesses, because I have those installed in the VPS, so I can assign tasks and they will be run by this harness specifically. Yeah. But yeah.